True peace. Ken's Israel reveals see-through wall technology at Paris Military Expo. Man, Peter Slang. Camaro Tech specializes in pulse-based ultra-wideband imaging solutions and provide tools particularly helpful in standoff situations or covert operations where a tactical team needs to remain at a safe distance from the target. You guessed this, man. These people here can see through walls now, man. A new Israel technology that can see through walls. A long range is slated to be unveiled for the first time at a military expo in Paris next week, man. Peep the slang. The company Camaro Tech, part of the SK Group, is an Israeli firm that specializes in pulse-based ultra-wideband (UWB) through-wall imaging solutions, man. Peep the slang. Its latest invention is Xavier LR40, XLR40, a portable system that can detect live objects hidden behind walls from over 50 meters, roughly 164 feet away. The XLR40, which the company say is lightweight, can accurately pinpoint the percents and number of objects moving behind walls in real time. Man, peep the slang. The uniqueness of the XLR40 is the fact that we can now do it from a much longer range than before, longer than any other existing system in the world. In Abramovich, VP of Business Development, Sales and Marketing at Camaro Tech, said the technology is particularly helpful in standoff situations or covert operations where a tactical team needs to remain at a safe distance from a target. It is also relevant for search and rescue operations. Camaro Tech will be presenting its new system at Milipol in Paris, a Bio-Nano Homeland Security and Safety Expo that will be taking place October the 19th through 22. The XLR40 is part of a family of new portable imaging systems recently commercialized by the Camaro Tech. Another system being sold, the XLR80, is larger and even more powerful than the XLR40 and can detect living objects from over 40 meters, 328 feet away. Man, peep the slang. All of our radars are based on radio signals in the ultra-wideband range. Abramovich said this means that we are sending continuous pulses and each one is in a wide band of frequencies. In this sense, we can actually penetrate through multiple material walls. The goal is to provide ground forces in hostile environments with an operational advantage. In fact, the system is so sensitive that it can even detect the miniest of movements, such as breathing. Like other UWB imaging systems, the only material the technology cannot see through is solid metal. It is known that any radio signal cannot go through solid metal. This is a physical phenomenon known as a Faraday cage, he explained. On the other hand, if you have reinforced concrete where you have rebar, metal knot, or mesh, you can even penetrate through the small holes in between the metal wires. More than 1,000 exhibitors from 55 countries will be participating in Milipol, including Israel defense firms, LB Systems, and Raphael. The event generally draws over 30,000 attendants from around the world, man. Peep the slang. We are proud to introduce the XLR40 system for the first time, which joins our family of long-range systems. Amir Bari, CEO of Camaro, said in a statement that this was shared with the media line. There are many potential uses for XLR systems. They can, for instance, be placed in a designated vehicle that can quickly move from place to place, hidden behind a camouflage net during covert missions, or placed in apartments or rooftops near a target location. Man, keep the slang. Yeah. UWB XLR40.